Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. This is portfolio PowerPoint presentation. This is the main presentation. This is completely editable. You can easily edit them. Change the photo, drag it. Change the style, bold. Drag this to anywhere you want. This whole presentation is completely editable. You can use it to create your own with the help of this. You can edit the text and anything you can want to do. It's easy to use, and this is the end. This is completely editable, and this is the lessons used, and this is the font used in this. And you can download from the link in the description. You will download this WinRAR file. Just click on this link in the description. You will come to this page. Use this button to download. You can leave any comment here if you want. I hope you like this video. If you found this video informative and useful for you, so please do subscribe to my channel and like this video.